This is the Warrior Kid Medic. Let's see what's in here. So first we have the Medic multi-tool tourniquet. You have an information card, a couple of safety pins for your tourniquet. You have an emergency light. You have some tape, bags. You can put in your personal medicine. You have some tweezers. Do good, be good, share. Love that. An emergency poncho, a Supreme triangular bandage. You have a pair of shears. You have a couple of bandages, antiseptic cleaning wipes. Here's the gauze, wound dressing, sting relief pads, and last but not least, we have bandage. This is the Medic multi-tool. My favorite part of the Warrior Kid Medic tool is the tourniquet. The Medic multi-tool. It gives you step-by-step instructions. It really empowers you and educates you if you are in a medical emergency. You are a calm presence with common sense. And you might not know what you need to do. Your most powerful tool is your brain. Very useful, very easy to use. This here has all of the instructions. It has a QR code to help you understand how to best use this for yourself or for someone in need. I think this is a great tool for parents, kids, really anyone to help yourself or help others that might be in need. Be good, do good, share.